A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Walking with the Divine, discovering the treasures along the way. Ladies and gentlemen, human life is no random occurrence upon earth. It is a deliberate act of cosmic design. The same intelligence that keeps the stars in their orbits breathes through the human heart. Within that vast order lies an invitation to walk not in isolation but in conscious companionship with the divine, the infinite intelligence that guides, corrects, and illumines every sincere traveler. Such companionship is not bestowed by chance, as every traveler prepares before setting out. One must also prepare inwardly through awareness, coherence, and alignment. Awareness awakens perception. Coherence unites thought, emotion, and action. Alignment attunes the self to the moral and natural law that governs existence. When these harmonize, resonance arises, the subtle dialogue through which divine intelligence begins to guide. From resonance blossoms communion, and from communion deepens faith, the assurance that the unseen walks beside every awakened soul. Once the walk begins, companionship matures into partnership. The divine does not relieve the traveler of responsibility. It steadies the reins, as in the Bhagavad Gita, where the Lord Krishna as charioteer directs yet never compels Arjuna, the bearer of the bow. The traveler acts anchored in truth, righteousness, courage, and compassion, while divine intelligence provides the quiet direction that keeps every motion aligned. In that balance of effort and surrender, life unfolds as revelation. Each experience, pleasant or difficult, becomes a message. Every joy refines gratitude. Every trial unveils strength. Every silence hides instruction. To recognize this is to discover that every experience is guidance, and every guidance a treasure. These treasures are not possessions but evolutions, patience replacing haste, forgiveness dissolving resentment, clarity overcoming confusion. No two journeys are identical. The treasures revealed depend upon the depth of alignment, surrender, and receptivity of each soul. For one, the gift may be courage, for another, serenity, for a third, the grace of understanding. Though the discoveries differ, their light is shared. Every awakened soul enriches the collective consciousness of humankind. In sharing these inner findings, life itself becomes a network of luminous travelers, each revealing to others what the path has taught. What's the way forward? To walk with the divine in daily life is to act with deliberate awareness, to pause before reaction, to choose truth over convenience, and to seek harmony between thought, word, and deed. When coherence between heart and mind becomes a way of living, the human system begins to function as a radiant energy grid. Its physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational dynamos generating strength in synchronicity. This unified field of energy sustains endurance, clarity, creativity, and faith, the essential fuel for the journey. As coherence deepens, cosmic intelligence begins to participate in every decision. Uncertainty turns to learning, challenge to refinement, and even delay becomes a hidden form of grace. The journey evolves from survival to self-illumination. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when divine walks alongside, life ceases to be a series of unrelated events and becomes a sacred unfolding. Every step, when taken in awareness and surrender, yields a treasure, a deeper virtue, a clearer vision, a steadier faith. The path itself becomes the teacher, and each day a new chapter in divine companionship. As Lord Krishna profoundly declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, for those who are ever steadfast, who worship me with love, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. To walk with the divine is to realize that the cosmos itself journeys beside the sincere traveler, guiding each step, correcting each misturn, and transforming every experience into treasure until traveler and path, charioteer and chariot move as one luminous rhythm of the eternal. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.